How to fix CapCut templates stuck at 51% or not loading. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the CapCut app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App and click on Delete. Now navigate to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app CapCut. After app appears, download it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Likewise, switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. Ensure you have at least 1 to 2 GB of free space. CapCut needs storage to download template assets. If none of these solutions work, close this and launch your CapCut. Navigate to the Me page, click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on the option Feedback. Click on the option Give Feedback. Now here you'll need to report about the issue, that you are unable to download the templates or it is not loading. Also, you can upload the screenshots or the screen recording, then you can send it. With that, CapCut support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for CapCut templates stuck or not loading. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.